What's up, everybody? This is Jai Gallo again with Platform, and today we're going to be talking about the Shopify integration and how to get your Shopify store integrated with your Platform account. But before we start with the video, I wanted to let you know that if you need any help with integrating your Shopify account with your Platform account, or you need help with anything else, you can always reach out to our team for help and support on anything that you need. Also, any kind of brainstorming of how you can use Platform, you can go ahead and ask us as well. And the way that you can connect with us directly, the best way is from inside of your dashboard. All you have to do is navigate to the support hub. You click the support hub, and then you can go right here to chat with us, and you can message us anything that you want. You can also submit a support ticket, and you can also go through all of the FAQs to see if there's anything that you need help with. And you can also click the help docs, which will also take you to all of our help docs, and you can explore all the documents that are here as well. If for some reason you don't have a Platform account, you can go ahead and go to platformarea.com, and you can sign up for a free account. And you can try out Platform and see if it's going to be right for your business. Okay, so now back to this video. This video is about Shopify and integrating your Shopify account with your Platform account. I'm not going to go through every aspect of the Shopify feature within Platform. We are going to make another video for that. This video is going to strictly be on how to integrate it to keep the video shorter. So Shopify is probably the biggest e-commerce website builder online right now, and a lot of people use it. So we have it integrated into Platform that you can basically import collections so that your members can go through and check out your store, and they don't have to actually leave. That's going to increase your sales. It's going to increase your sales on merch because people are going to pass by the Shopify link inside of the membership area. And I'll give you a quick look of this. You can label your store whatever you want inside of your membership area. In this particular demo account here, we just named it Shopify Store. So every time that a user comes in, they're going to see your store. They can click in and they can see all the products that you have for sale, and then they can easily just add them to cart and they can just check out all within inside of the app. So yeah, this is very useful, and you can customize this however you want. And then what this does is it sends the order to Shopify, where you can fulfill it however you normally fulfill all of your products through your own logistics that you have currently. You don't have to create a whole nother logistics flow. You can just use what you're already using with Shopify. So that's basically what we are going to do today. I'm going to disconnect this store from our Platform account, and I'm going to just create a new one with you guys right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate back to the creator dashboard, and we're going to go into the store that I already have created here. And I'm going to delete this out. Am I sure I want to delete it? Yes, I do want to delete it. And now, as you can see, there's no store here. Okay, so now that that is deleted from our current account, if I come back into my members dashboard, I should be able to refresh, and it should no longer be here because that feature has been deleted. Back to our dashboard here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Add Feature. If you go to Shopify Store and I click Select, it's going to take me to the settings. I'm going to retitle this store. I'm going to call it Platform Store. And I'm just going to leave this icon here. I'm going to leave the status of this feature toggled off for now until we're done setting it all up. And I'm going to leave the feature pricing off because I want all of our members to just be able to access the store without it being paywalled off. So now we need to enter in our Shopify URL, our Shopify API token, and our Shopify collection to go ahead and connect these. Don't get discouraged by any of this. This tech to connect this is not hard. Just sit down, and within 20 minutes, you'll probably have a Shopify store linked up in your platform. Just follow the directions step by step and you'll be fine. So with that being said, we're going to go back over to our Shopify account. And again, this is assuming that you have a Shopify account. If you don't have a Shopify account, you can go to shopify.com and you can sign up for one on a free trial basis and test all this out as well. Their price points, I think, for a basic plan, which is, the basic plan does a lot. So it's $29 a month, and you have a store that you can not only have your products inside of your membership area with Platform, but you can also have a storefront that is exposed to the whole internet that anybody can buy your products from. So Shopify is a good tool to have for any online business that you have. You can sell merch for, even if you have digital products. Create a Shopify account and create some drop shipping products or anything to add physical products to your online business. Okay, so now we're going to assume that you have a Shopify account. We're going to need a few things from our Platform account. We're going to need that Shopify URL. We're going to need that Shopify API token, and we're going to need the Shopify collection. Okay, so what I did was I created a couple of products inside of our Shopify account: Platform's Winners Coffee Mug and Platform Free T-shirt. And then what I did was I added those to a collection. And the collection that I added those to was Platform's Sexy Items. These two products have been added to this collection. Now, I'm not going to do a full tutorial on how to create products within Shopify or how to create collections. All of that stuff is inside of their help docs here. Is now that I have these products and this collection set up, is I'm going to go ahead and go to apps. I'm going to click develop apps, and then I'm going to click allow custom app development. You are about to allow custom app development on your store. This can't be undone. And yes, I want to do that. So you're going to click the button allow custom app development. Okay, so now we have allowed the development. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an app. We're going to name this app, and you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Platform Store, and I'm going to click create app. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to configure storefront API scopes. I'm going to click that, and I'm just going to go ahead and tick all of these options, and then I'm going to click save. After I do that, I'm going to go ahead and click install app. I can either do that here or this button. I'm just going to randomly choose this button. Install Platform Store on Platform area. And I'm going to go ahead and click install. Okay, great. So now Shopify produced an API key for me. And this is what Platform was requesting as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click this button. This will copy it. So it says copy to clipboard. I'm going to go back to Platform, and I'm going to paste that in this spot here. And then I'm going to go back to Shopify, and I'm going to go to products. I'm going to go down to collections, Platform Sexy Items. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to take it back to Platform. I'm going to paste it in. And one thing that we'll have to do is get rid of these spaces, and we're going to put a dash in between each one. And then the last thing I need here is my Shopify URL. So what I'm going to do is go back to Shopify, and if you go to online store and you click view store, this URL here that's in your browser, you're going to want to copy that. So there, I copied it. I'm going to take it back to Platform. I'm going to paste that in, and I'm going to click save. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn on the feature status, and I'm going to save again. So now if I go back to my members area and I refresh, I should see that store. And you can see here it says Platform Store. So if I click Platform Store, you can see the store pulled in my two products that I created inside of Shopify. Now, this looks pretty bland. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Platform, and I'm going to add some header slides. So the header slides are basically your hero images that'll be for your store. So I'm going to go back to Platform. I'm going to click header, and you can see add slides. So I'm going to go ahead and add a slide. I went ahead and created a couple of slides ahead of time. And we're going to click upload. And upload, I'm going to go ahead and select this platform slide 1 and see the dimensions there, 1664 by 272. That's what I would recommend to make the slide size. So go ahead and click that. I'm going to click open and it uploaded, so I'm going to save it. And here's the first slide. So if I go back to my members area and I refresh, it's going to show this first slide here. So I can go ahead and leave it like that, or if I have other slides already that I already have for like Shopify or whatever, I can go ahead and carousel slides in here as well. So I'm going to go back to platform and I'm going to add another slide. I'm going to upload and I'm going to do platform slide 2, open. I'm going to click save. And now I got 2 slides in here. I'm going to go back to the members area. I'm going to refresh. Now you can see there's 2 dots here signifying that there's a carousel. And if you wait a couple seconds, it'll slide through to the next slide. And it'll just carousel through here. And a user can select these if they want to check out other offers or whatever you have advertising up here. And then you can add as many of these slides as you want. And you can also go ahead and change the order. You just drag and drop and then update order. And now you come back and you refresh. That should be the first slide now. And there's a second carousel. So that is how you go ahead and integrate your Shopify store into platform and get your store up and running so that your members can buy as much of your merch as you want to sell. If you have any questions, again, go ahead and reach out to us on support, and I will talk to you on the next video. Thanks.